Juste après quoi, puisque pour moi, son copine a été dans le tobilate. Como usaba casi,
Are you a UK resident over 40 with kids? Can you afford £14 a month to ensure the long-term financial security of your children?
Est-ce que l'Angola est là ce soir? Est-ce que le Congo est là ce soir? E Gustavo de Janeiro.
Hello, welcome to Kikongo lesson. Thank you very much. We're going to learn Kikongo. Seja bem-vindo. Vamos aprender a nossa língua Kikongo. Gizambote, Sitolongandingeto, Kikongo. Munusia Kaisa Pangizeto. I'm going to say hello to our brothers, our brother and sister in Kikongo. Kiambote Nengwatariwa.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuvimpi tutondele yeyenwe.
Esepe tunama vimpi, tutondele ingeta. Tata Allen, Kiambote.
Kiambote Mbutapandu.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta. Tunama vimpi. Yeyeno, eh?
Yeah, tope tunama vimpi. Tutondela. Tutondela. Well done. Ah, that's good. Tutondele. Let us go to Dr. David. You said it's coming late. Let's see. Okay. So we go back. We're going to today's lesson is. Let me just try to share my screen. Revision. We're going back to the same lesson. Yes. Okay. Next time we'll read. To save time. Yes, Dr. Allen, please.
Diambote. Kewau Koe. Ingeta. Diambote Beni.
Thank you. Well done. Remember, you don't. I mean,
Oh, yeah, the you. Yeah, I
ignore
got
the
it.
you. No,
Okay.
you're fine. It is
Okay.
not wrong, but it's fine. Up to you. Name what you are.
Dialudi
Well done.
Kewauke Ingeta Dialudi Beni.
Tutondele. Dr. Allen.
Dia Pimpita.
Yeah, Pinta.
Dia is it Dia Pimpita?
Yes, correct, yes.
Dia Pimpita. Kewauko, eh?
Kewakwe.
Kewauko, Ingeta. Dia Pimpita Beni.
Yes. This one, just make it one word. Kwe. Yeah, make one word, yeah. Thank you, well done. Then what tell you please.
Diasikila
Yes,
Kewauke Diasikila Kewauke Ingeta Diasikila Beni.
The singular being. Tata Allen.
Dia Kizoa
Yeah, good.
Kwako, eh? Ingeta. Dia Kizoa Beni.
The Kizoa Ben. Yes. Then what tell you please.
Diangangu
Well done. Remember, can you do it again? Remember the long vowel? Double A, yes.
Okay. Diangangu
Well done.
Kewauke Ingeta Diangangu Beni.
Yes. Dr. Allen.
Dialuvunu
Yes, good.
Kewauko, eh?
Kewakwe.
Kewakwe.
Ignore you and make this one word. Kwe. Can you
Kwe.
say it again, please?
Dialuvunu Kewauko, Ingeta. Dialuvunu Beni.
Alvunu Ben, yes. Then what are you?
Diankenda Kewauke
Long vowel.
Diankenda Diakenda Kewauke Ingeta Diakenda Beni.
Diakenda Ben, yes. Dr. Allen.
Kwanda Kwauko, Kwanda Kewauko,
Well done.
Ingeta. Kwanda Beni.
Yes. Then what are you?
Kwankufi Kewauke Ingeta Kwankufi Beni.
Yes, wow, well done. We're done for today. You are brave. Well done. Any questions? Start telling.
No, I don't have any questions. I just need more practice with the pronunciation.
Okay. And numbers. Okay?
Yeah, you want to review numbers?
No, don't worry. We'll do next time. Then go tell you your questions.
V.
Kato. Oh, that's good. Wow. Tutondele. I'm going. You are staying. Then go tell you what would you say to me?
Nwenda Kyambote.
Wow, well done. Why Nwenda, not Wenda?
Because it's to show respect.
Oh, well done, yes. Tutondele. Nwenda Kyambote. Tatale, Nwenda Kyambote.
Oh, Musa Makiambo.
Tutondele. Bye, see you next time.
Bye.
Right.
This Sunday. Thank you.